Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, see all of you again. Now we will learn how to create design packaging. Yeah, I have a draft look like this. Yeah, we will create this packaging. Okay, I will change the first of unit to okay, centimeter. Yeah, centimeter. Then I want to change the paper of size to F4. Yeah. Okay, now I will take a guideline. Yeah, take a guideline and then press P button. It will be move on center, and then we right click and lock the guideline. Okay, take a horizontal guideline and press P button 2 on your keyboard and then lock the guideline. Yeah, okay, now I will try to create this. Yeah, but now I will try to this space 4 and 6. Yeah, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Okay, I will create 6. Yeah, and height 4 centimeter, and I take here. Okay, if you want to move automatically, we must up to snap to guideline. Yeah, take the center and then snap. Okay, clear. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Okay, but now 3, height 3 and 4. Okay, we have this. I will copy first. Yeah, we get 4 and now height 3. Okay, 3 centimeters here. Okay, now the same this space, Control C, Control V. Okay, take this. On here we can active snap to object 2. Yeah, and then but now we create 6 and height 3 here. Yeah, Control C, Control V, and this height is 30 millimeters like this. Okay, Control C, Control V. Now take this. Okay, 3 and 6. 3 and 6. On other side, same too. If we want to make this result, it will be a box. Yeah, it will be a box. Yeah. Okay, now we can create a close this box. Yeah, this maybe 2. Yeah, a bit 2 because here, and with 6 centimeter. Okay, Control C, Control V here. Okay, 2 centimeters. Let's create. Okay, Control C, Control V. Here too. Okay, it's a finish. If we form the result look like the box, yeah, look like a box, yeah. But now I will maybe rotate this paper size to landscape, yeah, landscape. It will be easy to design this, yeah. Okay, now we create this space, yeah, with height 5. Okay, maybe 2. Okay, 5. Maybe if you want to 5, maybe 10 and 4 centimeters, yeah, 4 centimeters, like this. If we want to copy this, yeah, Control C, Control V, we can use this, yeah, this pi, this 0, maybe start to. Okay, if you want to do this, you can delete, and we can copy paste this, then flip, yeah, flip or mirror horizontal. Okay, like this. Okay, it's clear. Sorry. Okay, it's clear. Yeah, this and this. Okay, want to lock object to. Okay, now I will to create this. Yeah, I want to create this illustration. Yeah, it will be same, maybe 2. We have 2. Control C, Control V here. Okay, but I want to create like this. Yeah, maybe I want to convert to curve first, then I want to use node offset, maybe 1 centimeter. Yeah, it's like this. Use shape tool, this. Okay, like this. Yeah. Now I want to create, yeah, create this illustration. Okay, now we know the height of this space is maybe 2. Yeah, okay, I will check. Okay, let's 2. Yeah, if we want to measure this line, we can use dimension tool and take this slanted dimension tool. Okay, click here and click here. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, maybe 2 centimeters. Yeah, 2 centimeters. Okay, 2 centimeters. Now I will try to take this. Yeah, maybe quick like this. Wait, I take a guideline. Yeah, maybe here, take here in this. Yeah, okay, this here. Okay, 1, maybe 2, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, now I check this guideline. Okay, maybe 10. Yeah, okay, maybe 10. I will move here. Okay, okay, 10. And then this space, yeah, this space equal equal 12 centimeters. Yeah, okay, 12 centimeters. Take here, take the 0 point here. I get maybe here, yeah. Okay, 1 centimeters, and height maybe okay, 13, okay, 13, yeah, I get 13, 1, okay, finish, 13, okay, this maybe here, yeah, I want to use, okay, take the hook just, okay, I think you take the concept, Control C, Control V, okay, 0 point, okay, move here, maybe negative 100, okay, take here, okay, that's it, okay, good. Now, okay, I want to Control C, Control V, and mirror, and take this, yeah, and then I want to group, Control C, Control V, and then flip vertical, okay, here, that's finished. Yeah, if we want to make the illustration, we can copy, Control C, Control V, and then we can take well like this. Yeah, okay, that's the result of the design packaging. Okay, wait a minute, I will make a breakcode for a part. Yeah, wait, just okay, 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 I get an idea. I will combine, will take maybe green, and then take here, okay, that's finished. That's our design packaging with this illustration. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.